I got some pieces that's touching waistline. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crystal Clear Curls. I am Crystal. If you are new here, welcome back to my little corner of the internet where we are Crystal and the jewels. Now if you'd like to be a jewel, all you have to do is one little thing, and that's click that subscribe button. And if you'd like to be reminded of any time that I post a video, then click that notification bell. So today I'm prepping my hair for a protective style because I'm getting ready to go on vacation. So first I used Uncle Funky's Daughter Maximum Thermal Protection line, the shampoo, purifying cleanser I think it's called, and the deep conditioner. And as always a joy. I can still feel the tingling on my scalp. Feels really good, feels really clean, feels really fresh. So now I'm about to go in with the rest of the line to blow out my hair with my RevAir. Blow out my hair with my RevAir. It rhymes. And then I will likely also go ahead and trim my ends. It has been almost 4 months since the last time I trimmed my ends, so I'm in need of it. Nope. It has been about almost 6 months since I trimmed my ends, and so I'm in dire need of that. So after I get through blowing out my hair, then I will be trimming my ends. And I've had quite a few people ask me for a video on it, so today I will include it in this video. Thought my ends looked worse than this, but they actually don't look that bad. They actually don't look that bad at all. Length check. I got some pieces that's touching waistline. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Not nothing. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put a little bit of the 3-in-1 Shine Shine Booster. Just to kind of finish off that section. And if you notice, when I am using my RevAir, when I am done with the section, I always chase it with my brush, and that gives me such a smooth finish. Such a smooth finish. And now I'm just gonna, I guess I am. I'm just gonna Bantu knot it. I prefer Bantu knotting my blowout instead of twisting it or braiding it. It just kind of keeps it a little more stretched than I've seen a twist or a braid do. So again with the primer, and a few pumps of the split end serum. Y'all, I'm gonna finish this and then I'll be back. Okay, so I am all finished, and this is my blown out hair. I'm gonna try to let my camera down some so y'all can see the back. Stepping on my tippy toes just a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is so thick, y'all. It is so thick. I haven't seen my hair blown out since January. My split ends on this side aren't as bad, but this side is. It is really bad. Like fingers keep getting caught in it. It's harder to detangle. Yeah, just much worse. So I'm gonna put my hair back in those sections that I had it in so that I can show you how I trim my own needles. So just quickly to kind of show what I do. Now, I'm not advocating for people to do it at home, but if you're like me right now where I am in my life, I don't plan on going to see a stylist right now for reasons that may only be understood by me at the moment. But I bring it out, and all of this I'm getting rid of. And then I go to the next section. So I kind of just continue to break those sections up into smaller subsections and get some of those ends that were hiding. Yeah, I'm probably going to lose about a ½ an inch to an inch in some spots, because in some spots my hair was pretty bad, and then in other spots it wasn't as bad. Ooh, I saw some single strand knots in there. I have been wearing wash and goes a whole lot lately, and I do get them more quickly with wash and goes. Oh, that feels so much better. Oh, that feels so much better. So I'm gonna put this back in the bank tonight. Yeah, see, this side at the back is not as bad as this side at the back. And then this side at the front is not as bad as this side at the front. So weird. So weird. One thing I will say about trimming your own hair or cutting your own hair, it requires trust. But yeah, so I have been clipping my own ends majority of my life. Feels so much better. Okay, but like I said, I am not advocating for everyone to trim their own ends. I do it because I have been doing it since I was a teenager, and I will never tell you not to go to a stylist. Will never tell you not to go to a stylist. I definitely say it is much easier to put your hair in the hands of somebody who knows what they're doing. But I do understand that not everybody has a stylist that they can trust. So if that's the case, if you don't have a stylist that you can trust, then I wouldn't tell you, oh, well, just don't touch your ends because you're not a stylist. Your ends still need to be trimmed. And if you can figure out a good way to do it, then I don't see anything wrong with it. So take that to the bank however it is you choose to digest it. Said what I said, and I didn't say what I didn't say. But I'm about to do these two middle parts off camera, and then I'll be back to close out the video. So I am all finished with trimming my ends, and oh my goodness, they feel so much better. So much better. And this is how long we're hanging. I am still able to pull some down. I am below my bra strap. Not much, but I'm below it. Let's see if I can. Right at waist length. I remember saying that waist length hair was my goal, and it still is, but it's more of an all over goal. Like, I want this to be down here as well. Want my hair to hang, all of it, under my breast area. That's just my personal goal. And I'm just so happy to see that my hair is still flourishing and thriving. And I cannot wait to do my protective style for my vacation. And that's going to be a different video. I'm not even going to attempt that tonight. I washed and blow dried and trimmed my ends tonight. I am beat. And that was after getting off work. So no, I don't have the energy to do it. So this is the end of the video. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, you can place them down below. But, you know, be respectful. What I like to do is share my journey and bring y'all along for the ride. And if something that I do happens to help you, then that is amazing. And also, there are times when someone in the comments gives me a suggestion about something that I could do better, and they're always welcomed. They may not always be taken, but they're always welcomed, and I appreciate it. So this is the end of the video. If you haven't already, please click subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to be reminded of any time that I post a video. Don't forget to hit like. Follow me everywhere: Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook at Crystal Clear Curls, and then on Lemonade at Crystal Curls. Until next time, bye.